We have a sister from Spain. She says, I sleep from Fajr to Dhuhr and because I've been up all night doing ibadah. Does it increase my reward or is my reward decreased?
As in for her staying up all night?
Yes, so she stays up all night and obviously she does her fast and then she goes to sleep between Fajr and Dhuhr. So she's saying that does anything happen to her reward because she's been sleeping all the way up to Dhuhr?
Yes, she should avoid sleeping daytime. What she should try to do is that she should try to sleep before Fajr and after her Qiyamul Layl, after Taraweeh, and wake up for Suhoor and then go back to sleep after that and wake up for Fajr again. Try to get the sleep at night. The sleep is good at night and it's better for you at night. And at daytime, you want to spend that time which you're sleeping from Fajr to Dhuhr. You want to utilize that time by reading Quran. You don't want to spend your sleeping time, your fasting time, all of it sleeping. Wallahu